Right, so at the moment I'm going to focus on how to factorise x squared minus 100. If I rewrite it, it could look like this. X squared and then plus no x's, because I haven't got any there at all, and then minus 100. And if I'm going to do it like that, then I need to look at my minus 100 and find factors of minus 100 that make 0. So that's going to be minus 10 and plus 10. Because when I do minus 10 plus 10, I get 0. So I know that when I factorise my expression, I'm going to have x minus 10, x plus 10. Okay, if I now move on to my next expression, x squared minus 4, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. So rewrite this, and I get x squared plus 0x minus 4. And with that, again, I'm going to find factors of minus 4. So I need factors of minus 4 that make 0 when I add them together. So that's just going to be minus 2 times plus 2. So if I put them back in my brackets, I get x minus 2, x plus 2. And that's my x squared minus 4 factorised. Now, what I want to do with both of these before I move on is check that they work, because I haven't done that yet. So x times x is x squared. X times 10 is plus 10x. Minus 10 times x is minus 10x. And minus 10 times plus 10 is minus 100. I'm then going to simplify this bit to give me x squared plus 10x minus 10x is 0, so then just minus 100, which is what I started with. So good, that works. So if I do the same for this one, we need to check it works again. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. So again, simplify this middle bit, and I get x squared plus 2x minus 2x is 0, minus 4. So again, I've got the correct factorised version in the middle. Now, the really important thing to look at is these bits. We need to see if we can notice a difference between them all, or a similarity, sorry. These are all square numbers. And because they're square numbers, we can jump to our factorised version without having to worry about this. And we can just do it without thinking. So I know that this is simply going to be x plus 9, x minus 9. Because once I multiply it out, my plus 9x and my minus 9x are going to give me 0. So I'm going to have no coefficient of x. So I'm just going to get my x squared minus 81, because a plus and a minus will give me a minus. And if I quickly just check that, x times x is going to give me x squared. X times minus 9 is going to give me minus 9x. Plus 9 times x is plus 9x. And plus 9 times minus 9 is minus 81. And we'll simplify this bit to give me x squared minus 9x plus 9x is 0, minus 81. So when we notice that we have an x squared and we're taking away a square number, all we need to do is square root the square number and then put the positive and the negative square root in our brackets to give our final answer.